What's up everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another model unboxing and review video. This time we have a very interesting model, one that I did not necessarily think I was going to be getting, but given that Aviation400 had it out and I've missed a lot of the other ones, I decided to pick up this Air India A350-900 Victor Tango-Juliet Romeo Hotel by Aviation400. Very excited to have this model. Air India does not fly into LA at the moment. There's rumors, and I'm surprised it hasn't been announced yet. I know there's been talks about it. I've read that they've been considering. I think it's they've been considering Dallas and LA because they serve San Francisco, and I believe Seattle now too. But yeah. Nothing official yet, but nonetheless, I decided to go ahead and get this just to have it because I think it's a cool looking aircraft. It's my first ever Air India aircraft, so might as well, right? Let's go ahead and take a look. So here we have the box. Very nice box. Plain and simple. Yeah. All right. Let's take a look at what we got. I believe this has detachable gear. Yep, it does. So we'll have to put the gear on it. No biggie. No biggie at all, but here we have the aircraft. Ooh, that looks beautiful. All right. It's got the stand too and whatnot, but we are going to go ahead and take out the one with the gear. There is another little looks like another little component with the gear doors that would be, if you want them in the closed configuration, they have little picks as well. That's kind of nice. And then you have the stand right there. But we're just gonna go ahead and take the gear, slot it in, and then stick it onto the box like we always, or just put it on the box as we always do. So let's try and get the gear out here. Little packaging. The gear does look really nice as well. Some good detail. The gear. So let's go ahead. All right, so we'll just fold this up. There we go. Pop that back in there. Let's go ahead, get the plastic off. Pop the aircraft out. Wow, this looks amazing. So we'll go ahead and slot the gear in. The magnets are nice and strong. It works really well. Alright, that's the main gear in. Oh, let's make sure I get it put in right on the nose. They just slot right on in. Boop. Just like that. You wouldn't even know that they're magnetic because they sit on so nice and they sit on perfectly. The gear, there's great detail. They roll, they tilt, very, very nice. They're very sturdy when they get snapped on and everything, so very, very nice. Great job there by Aviation400. All right, let's move the packaging out the way. Let's take a look at this beautiful model. Wow. Alrighty. As I say, this is my first ever Air India aircraft. I do not have any other Air India aircraft in my fleet. And this is also the new livery, so I don't have any aircraft in the old livery. And no A350s are for Air India are actually in the old livery. This was the first aircraft, I believe, that brought the new livery into play. And I think it looks fantastic. I mean, it's a little bit more white than the original Air India livery, but nonetheless, I think the colors and everything, it all balances out and it all works and it looks fantastic. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and take a look here at the details. Obviously, the A350 mold by Aviation400 is superior. There's a lot of great detail all around here. The nose, it looks excellent. You got, looks like that is something Romeo Hotel there on the gear door. The gear looks fantastic, like I said. It sits in there very well. They've done an excellent job with that. Great detail around the nose here. The Air India, or the India flag right there. Star Alliance logo, looking fantastic. L1 door, really, really nice. Big, bold Air India title. Really, really nice. Beacon on the top, little dome there. and more antennas. Lots of good stuff there. There's the antenna on the bottom as well. L2 door, very, very nice. Rolls-Royce Trent XWBs, looking fantastic. Very nice. They're well mounted and they sit good. I think the box is just a little saggy, that's why it looks a little uneven, but yep, looks really, really good. Wings and the winglets looking fantastic with the new logo there on the inside. Registration on that wing there. Moving along, you do have some overwing exit markings, right? Or there's an overwing exit, but there's no markings on the wing for it. But the wings are very nicely detailed, as you can see. You have the other main door at the back here, looking very nice. A350-900 right under another little pop-out emergency exit right there. The registration, Victor Tango Juliet Romeo Hotel. Another India flag right there. And then I guess that would be the L4 door. But you got the nice antennas on the top. Look at all these little like domes and whatnot. I believe this is the Wi-Fi dome. The big one is the Wi-Fi dome right there. And then the antennas and everything looking fantastic. We've got the tail logo looking very, very nice. Great detail there, looking fantastic. Very happy with how that looks. Looking excellent. Love the colors. Very, very nice. The blue, the gold, the reddish orange. Very, very nice. Same on this side. So now you have the cargo door. The actual bulk bin door, I forgot to mention, is in fact on this side right up under there. Ooh, where is it? Yeah. It's a little, looks like they put that a little low, but it's right. It is right there. But spinning to this side, we have the cargo door right here. The aft cargo door. All the good details on this side with the registration on the wing. The engine looking fantastic. And the forward cargo door right here. We'll take a look at the underneath, but as you can see, we've got the beacon on top, excuse me. Top down view. Everything looks really good. On the bottom, ooh, let's spin it around here, or sorry, flip it around. Be very gentle. Beautiful, big Air India titles. That looks excellent. We do have the beacon actually right under here. Antennas as well. They have done a fantastic job with this aircraft. Looks very, very well done. Registration on that wing there as well. If it'll focus. But yeah, overall, excellent detail. Very well done. The gear, as I say, sits in there and is very well done. No issues with, like, you don't have to worry about it falling out or anything. It looks fantastic. Love the livery. This mold, like with any Aviation 400 mold, is exceptional. The innovation with the detachable gear and how well they've executed it is phenomenal. I love the little beacons, the little gems in there as beacons. It looks fantastic. Very, very nice model. Highly recommended if you can get it. And any Aviation 400, A350, or any of their aircraft for that matter are just incredible. So very, very excited to have this. This looks fantastic. Hopefully, yeah, one day this will get to be displayed with LA, and hopefully they do fly this into LA at some point. That would be pretty darn cool. So yeah, that's probably going to be it for this video, guys. But if you did enjoy, smash that like button, subscribe for more model unboxing and review videos, as well as other content. With that, guys, I will see you on the next one. Take care.